In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up form in MailerLite. We'll walk through the full process from starting your form to polishing the design and setting up what your visitors see after they subscribe. By the end, you'll have a clean, on-brand pop-up ready to capture new leads. Begin by logging into your account and heading to the Forms section in the left sidebar. This is your home base for all things related to sign-up forms. At the top, switch to the Pop-ups tab, then choose Create Form. You'll be prompted to give your form a name. Use something descriptive so you can recognize it later, like a campaign or offer name. Next, pick at least one subscriber group. This determines where new contacts will be stored, which makes it easier to segment your audience and send targeted emails later. Now it's time to design. You'll see a selection of templates to get you started quickly. Choose a pre-designed layout if you want a fast, professional look, or begin from scratch if you prefer full control. If you're interested in a more gamified experience, keep in mind that specialized options like spin the wheel need to be selected at this initial stage, so decide before moving on. Inside the drag and drop editor, start customizing the content. Add a clear headline that communicates the value of subscribing, then support it with a concise description. You can insert images to reinforce your message, include countdown timers for limited time offers, and add social links to connect visitors with your profiles. Keep your copy short and benefit driven, and make sure your button text uses a clear call to action like get the guide or join now. Next, set your styles so the pop-up matches your brand. Adjust fonts and colors to align with your website, and refine spacing to keep everything readable. Choose a layout type that fits your goal. Lightbox for a centered, attention-grabbing pop-up, full screen for big announcements where you want full focus, or slide in for a more subtle prompt that appears from the edge of the page. Aim for a clean, uncluttered look, and check that your design remains legible on smaller screens. Finally, configure the success page. Click the success button at the top of the editor to customize what subscribers see after they sign up. Add a friendly thank you message, set expectations about what they'll receive, and reinforce the value they're getting. And that's it. You've named your form, assigned a group, designed the content and style, and tailored the success experience. Everything you need to create an effective MailerLite pop-up.